recreating my first makeup doll look. So the doll look, it's like doll looks so, I don't know. You have to do red lips. I don't have red lips. We're gonna put this powder on. It's time for foundation. I mean, contour. Done with my contour. I think I have to put a little powder on a little. This blush has literally like red blush, but I'm just adding pink because it's my favorite. Look like a gown. I'm gonna add like the skin colors. These. Okay. One side done, not other side. So we're gonna do it now. Okay, I'm done. What do you think? I don't have like red lipstick. Sorry guys. It's kinda hard. Bye! Wait, also I'm gonna take off my makeup before.